How to add Visa gift card to Cash app. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. First and foremost, go ahead and download, install or update your Cash app. You can do it by Play Store or App Store. Tap open once done. You will see the initiate interface of Cash app something like this. To add your Visa gift card, select the home icon at the bottom. Now right here, once you are in this interface, you will see the option of add cash or cash out. You'll have to select the option of add cash bubble at the top of the screen. It will display all of your credit or debit card that is connected to your My Cash account. Now to add your Visa gift card, select add credit card. Once you tap on it, you have to enter the details of your Visa gift card, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and your zip code. Follow any additional prompt to verify the card and complete the transaction. If you face any of the issue regarding the process, make sure to clear cache of your Cash app account. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.